Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject Maths Standard 6. Students, previous video we have learnt HCF, highest common factor, finding the HCF by prime factorization method and long division method. Now today we will learn LCM. LCM, least common multiple. The least common multiple of two or more natural numbers is the least natural number, that is a multiple of the given number. Okay, now for example 12. First we will write a multiple of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84 and 12 eights are 96. And now we write multiple of 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 18, 16 sixes are 96. Then we take out the common multiple. Common multiple means the multiple which are same as 12 also and say 16 also. So see here, 48. 48 is a multiple of 12 and 48 is a multiple of 16 also. So 48 is a common multiple. 96 is a multiple of 12 and 96 is a multiple of 16 also. So 96 is a common multiple. Now which is the smallest common multiple? 48. And 48 is a least common multiple. The least natural number, and these are the natural number, and least common multiple, least natural number, that is a multiple of given number 12 and 16. 48 is a multiple of 12 and 16 also. So it is a least common multiple. Now find the least common multiple by listing multiples. Three methods. First one, listing method. Listing multiples, prime factorization method and division method. Now first one, listing multiples. Find the LCM by listing multiples. For example 12 and 8. Listing multiples means we write the multiples of that number and take out the common multiple. Now first we will write multiple of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. Now 18 multiple. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72 and 18 fives are 90. Now we take out the common multiple. Here 36 is a common multiple and 72 is a common multiple. Minimum we take out the common multiple 2. Now which is the smallest common multiple? 36. And 36 is the least common multiple. Got it students? Now next example. 3, 4 and 6. First we write the multiple of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. Now we will write 4 multiple of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Now 6 multiple. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 60. Now we take out the common multiple. So common multiple First we check the largest number. Now 6. 6 is a multiple of 6 and 6 is a multiple of 3. But 6 is not a multiple of 4. Then it is not a common multiple. We will take common multiple of 3, 4, 6, that all three numbers. Okay. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. 12 is a multiple of 4 and 12 is a multiple of 3. So 12 is a common multiple, 3 of them. Okay. Now next 18. Okay, 18 is not a multiple of 4. So let it be here 24. 24 is a multiple of 6. 24 is a multiple of 4 and 24 is a multiple of 3. The next common multiple is 24. Okay students, so how many common multiple? Minimum you take out 2 common multiples and maximum what you want. Okay. Now which is the smallest common multiple? 12. So least common multiple equal to 12. Okay students. Now next one, 20 and 25. Again we write multiples of 20. 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. And here 25. 25, 25 twos are 50, 23s are 75, 5s are 100, then 150, $25, 200, 225 and 250. These are the multiples of 25. Now here 100 is a common multiple and 100 is a common multiple of 20 and 25 and 200 is a common multiple of both of them. So common multiple is 100 and 200. Which is the smallest common multiple? 100. So LCM equal to 100. Okay students. Least common multiple is 100. Now next example. Now next method, find the LCM by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means we divide only prime numbers. The number we divide only prime numbers. So first we take out the prime factorization from prime factors of 24. So first prime factor is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 6s are 12, again 2 3s are 6, again 3 1s are 3. Now we take out the 60 prime factors of 60. Again here 0 is even number. When we divide the 60 by 2, then 30 means 30 divided by 2, then 3 5s are 15 and then 5 1s are 5. These are the multiples of 24. These are the factors, prime factors of 24 and 60. Now these prime factors we write here next. The prime factors of 24 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 16. Now we take out the common factor. This is the prime factors of 24 and 60. Now we take out the common factor. So common factor is, now students see how to take out the common factor. First we see the both of them. 2 occurs as a prime factor maximum 3 times. Maximum how many times? 3 times. So we write 2 3 times. Okay. Which number is coming maximum times? That's one we write. And 3 coming in one time. Here also 24 also and 60 also one time. So we write only one time. And 5 also one time. Okay students. So our LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 multiplied by 15, 3 5s are 15. So 15 is a 120. What is the LCM of 24 and 60? 120. So now next example is 12, 48 and 60. First we take out the prime factors of 12. Okay. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Why I am dividing by 2? Because 2 is a prime factor and 12 is a even number. So even number is divisible by 2. That's why we divide by 2. Now 48. Now we first write the multiples of 12 here. Okay. Now next one. First we take out the factors of 48. Now 48. Again 48 is an even number, so 48 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 24 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. Again 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 3 is a prime number. 3 1s are 3. What is the prime factors of 48? 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Then first we write the prime factors of 48. 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Now next we take out the prime factors of 60. We take out the prime factors of 60. Again 60 is a even number, so 60 is divisible by 2. Again 30 is a even number, 30 is divisible by 2. Now 15 is a odd number, then it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now these are the prime factors of 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now the prime factors of 60 is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Now students, again how to take out the common factor? We take out the common factor. See here, 2 occurs as a prime factor maximum 4 times. Maximum how many times? 4 times. So we will take 2 4 times. Okay students. And now 3 is one time. 3 of them, 3 is only coming in one time. So we will take one time. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 5 is also coming one time. So we write 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Now 4 multiplied by 60. 15 4s are 60. And the LCM is 240. LCM is 240. Now next example is, understood students? First we take out the all prime factors of 12, 48, 60, and then I take out the common factor and then LCM. Now next example is 9, 15, 18, 20. Now first we take out the prime factors of 9. So 9 is the odd number. The next prime number is 3. So next prime number is 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. What is the prime factors of 9? 3 into 3. So we write first prime factors of 9. 3 into 3. Now next we write factors of 15. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So what is the factors of 15? 3 5s are 15. Now next, what is the factor of 18? So 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. The factors of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The factors of 18, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now next, the factor of 20. We take out the factors of 20. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. The factors of 20 is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. The factors of 20, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now we take out the first prime factors of 9, 15, 18 and 20. Now we take out the common factor. We take out the common factor. So first we see that 2 occur as a prime factor maximum 2 times. So we will write first 2 times 2. Now 3 occur as a maximum times 2 times. Then again 3 multiplied by 3. Now 5 occurs as a 1 time. Here also and 15 also and 20 also. Here only 1 time. So we write only 1 time. Okay students. Now what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9 multiplied by 5. Now we know that the commutative property, we change the order of numbers. So 4 5s are 20. 20 multiplied by 9, 180. What is our LCM? 180. Our LCM is 180. Common factor 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and 36 5s are 180. Understood students? So we can't multiply like that. So 2 2s are 2 prime common factors you take. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and then multiply 5. So 4 5s are 20 and 29s are 180. Okay students, so our LCM is 180. Got it? Now next, find the LCM by short division method. This is not a long division method students, it is the short division method. So it is very easy method for take out the LCM. See here, I take out 18, 36, 60 and 70. That all numbers is divisible by only one prime number. So which prime number? First we see that last digit is 8, 8 is even number, 6 is even number, 0 is even number, 0 is even number. Means these all numbers is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Again now this number is, all numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 10s are 30. Okay, 35 is not divisible by 3, so 35 as it is right. Now again this one is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 10 as it is right, 35. Now 2 is divisible by these two numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 35 as it is. Then 5 I wrote here, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. These all the prime factors of 18, 36, 60, 70. So these prime factors you multiply and these prime factors also. So what is the prime factors LCM? So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 7. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, 18, 2 5s are 10 multiplied by 7. So 18 10s are 180, 180 multiplied by 7. 7 8s are 56, 6 5, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 12. So what is our LCM? 1260. Okay students. Now next example is 48, 56, 105 and 225. So I divide this one is directly that number. Now first we divide 2. Maximum number, which number we divide? 4, 8 and 6 are divided by 48 and 56 is divisible by 2, but others not. So we will take first 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 56 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Now again here we divide by, now we divided by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 35 75. Again 2, 2 4s are 8. Yes, 35 70. Now 14, 35 and 75. Okay. Again we will take 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 35 and 75. Now 2 and 7s are prime number, then we will only divide by again we divide by this one. Now we divide by 7. Now these all numbers we can multiply, all prime numbers, 2 3 7 3 2 7 5, that's all prime factors we multiply. These are the common factors, and then we take out the LCM. So LCM is 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and 24 5s are 120, 120 5s are 600, 600 7s are 4200. What is the LCM? 4200. 3 2s are 6. First we multiply, sorry, not 4200 students. See here, again 2 and 3 are remaining. So first we see that 3 2s are 6. First we multiplied by 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and then 16 5s are 80. 80 multiplied by 3, 240. 240 multiplied by again 3, 720. 720 multiplied by 5, 700. See students, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80, 80 3s are 240, 240 3s are 720, 720 5s are 725 multiplied by 7, so 3600 multiplied by 7. Again the answer is, we take out the answer, 25200. Answer is there. Now next example is 2254. Is you solve this example students. Now what we learned today, find the least common multiple by listing multiple, means we make a list and take out the common multiples. Prime factorization method means we divide the number by prime numbers and then these common factors take out and multiply the common factors. Division method means short division method, we divide and take out the LCM.